Wow, your skin looks so fresh and glowing today. What's the secret?
Face masks. They seriously changed my skincare routine.
Really? I always thought face masks were just for spa days.
No way. Face masks can help with acne, dryness, oily skin, dullness, and even stress. The right mask can make your skin feel amazing in just minutes.
Okay, explain this properly. What exactly is a face mask?
A face mask is a skincare treatment applied to the face for deep cleansing, hydration, brightening, or calming the skin. Think of it like a power boost for your face.
Oh, so different masks do different things?
Exactly. Some hydrate, some remove oil, and some brighten the skin. Clay masks absorb extra oil and clean pores deeply.
Perfect for people with pimples? What about dry skin?
Honey masks are amazing because honey is naturally moisturizing.
I've heard turmeric is magical.
It really is. It brightens skin and helps reduce marks.
What if skin feels irritated after sun exposure?
Aloe vera mask. Super cooling and calming.
So how often should we use face masks?
Usually 1 to 2 times a week. Overdoing it can irritate the skin.
People make mistakes with masks too.
Oh yes. Leaving masks on too long. Using harsh ingredients daily. Not moisturizing afterward. Applying lemon directly on sensitive skin. Remember, healthy skin isn't about expensive products.
Okay, I'm definitely trying these tonight. Glow naturally and take care of your skin. And should we wash our face before applying?
Always clean skin helps the mask work better. For dry skin, aloe vera and cucumber deeply hydrates and depuffs. Recipe: blend 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel with 1/4 of a peeled cucumber until smooth. Chill in the fridge for 10 minutes. Apply and relax for 15 minutes before rinsing. For oily, acne-prone skin, aloe vera and lemon. The benefit: cleanses pores and brightens dark spots. Recipe: mix 1 tablespoon of fresh aloe vera gel with 1/2 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Note: use at night as lemon can cause photosensitivity. And always follow with sunscreen. For irritated skin, aloe vera and oatmeal. The benefit: soothes inflammation and repairs the skin barrier. Recipe: mix 2 tablespoons of finely ground oatmeal with 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel to form a thick paste. Apply for 15 minutes and gently massage while rinsing. Pro tip: always perform a quick patch test on your inner arm to check for allergies, especially when trying new ingredients like lemon or honey.
Consistency, hydration, sleep, and the right skincare matter most. Beautiful skin starts with self-care.